In this video, I will show you how to use Telegram without a phone number. So let's jump straight into it. So first what we're going to do is open up the Telegram app on our device. Now to go ahead and use Telegram, you're not going to be able to choose it with any alternative method like an email or anything like that. You do need to have a phone number. However, if you don't have a phone number, there's something you can do. What you're going to want to do is open up a new mobile browser, come across to google.com, and you want to type into the Google search virtual mobile number. Now if you want to use this for a certain country, you can put a country afterwards, for example UK, and then search for this. As you can see, there's a ton of different websites where you can actually obtain free virtual numbers. Now, by using a free virtual number, let's take this one for example. Some of these are paid, but you can get free ones as well. And basically, you want to use a virtual mobile number to log into Telegram. If you don't have a phone number yourself, or you just don't want to use your own personal phone number, this is a good alternative that you can use. And what you can do is use a virtual mobile number to sign in to Telegram. Now, once that's done, generally what's going to happen is a verification code is going to be sent, and you'll be able to access on your virtual mobile number. So we'll see an option on the website that you've used for your virtual mobile number. There's going to be like a message inbox linked to the number. What you can do is grab that code once you've entered the number into here, enter your confirmation code, and you'll be able to go ahead and start using Telegram. So that is how to use Telegram without a phone number. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.